Welcome to Fish Hook Outdoors. I'm Charles. Hey, thank you for checking out our channel. Today we've got a really interesting and delicious entree we're going to make. As you can see, I've got jumbo shells. I'm going to my Italian roots now. And we're going to stuff these bad boys with our fresh homemade pesto, shredded mozzarella, provolone, and Romano cheese. It's a mixture. And these little popcorn shrimp, they're raw. We're going to saute them a little bit, get them cooked, and then we're going to put it in a mixture all together, and then we're going to stuff these things and cover them in cheese and bake them in the oven. So I think you guys are in for a treat. All right, we are going to get this thing going. We'll get it on a medium-low flame. A little bit of olive oil. We're just going to saute these shrimp just until they get pink, because they're going to cook the rest of the way in the oven. Give it a little bit to brown up a little bit, and they'll be ready to go into that stuffing mix. I love fresh shrimp. There's something about it. I love it. I've got a pot here boiling with hot water in the meantime to get it ready for those macaroni, because we're going to parboil them and then bring them out still hard, half cooked, and then we're going to cook the rest of it in the oven. Now these cook up real quick, so you don't want to overcook them. And this is just a medium to low flame. Yep, they're turning pink. They cook in no time. I want to season them ahead of time. Smell delicious. Just a little bit more. They have so much water in them. I've drained them and as best as I could, and guess what? They still emit water. All right, I believe these guys are ready now. Okay, we are ready to make our mixture. We're going to take a little bit of pesto, get it in here. That's the consistency you want. And now we're going to get our shrimp. Oh, they smell delicious. doke. All right, got everything in. We'll put some more pesto in this. Let's get all of this mixed up. All right. Now we're going to add our cheese. Plus, we're going to cover them in cheese as well. Oh, yeah. A little more pesto. Very good. We'll add some more cheese to this. It's not only going to be covered in cheese, but we want it to be filled up with cheese as well. Nice thick mixture, just right. And we're going to put them in with teaspoons, and we're going to cook the shells now. And then once they're about halfway cooked, we're going to take them out hard. Then we're going to manually stuff them all, put them in a nice tray, cover it with cheese, and bake it in the oven. Well, as you can tell, the water is boiling. Our first thing that we do, we season the water with salt. That is the whole purpose of adding salt to the water. It seasons it, and the macaroni will absorb that salt. Okay, while it's boiling, we're going to put a little bit of olive oil in there so nothing sticks. We still have the gas on high. And now we're going to put in our macaroni. It's only going to stay in for a little bit. These are the shells. They call these jumbo shells. Let these guys cook for just a little bit. We don't want them to get carried away cooking. If they get too soft, we won't be able to hold them. We're going to cool them down and spray them off with cold water. But we want to take them out extremely al dente, which is a little crunchy to the bite. And then the rest of the cooking will take place in the oven. As long as it's solid enough that we can handle it and put our stuffing in there. There's an old-time favorite, stuffed shells. I've never stuffed them with pesto, but the shrimp and the cheese and the pesto, oh man, it's going to be delicious. You've got to watch it real carefully not to have them overcook, especially when you want to bring them out early. That's why I'm constantly stirring and I'm feeling them out. Normally I wouldn't do that. I'd leave them in here. No, they're not ready yet, and they're hot as anything too. They're getting there, but it's going to take a little while. Well, it looks like these guys are ready now. They're soft enough. And now we're going to remove these, get them out of the water immediately. You need to get them out of the water immediately because they will still cook in the water. The moment of truth has arrived. These little jokers, they're just quasi hard. So now we're gonna do the best we can with this. Stuff these little guys. Oh yeah. And lay these in here. Oh yeah, they're still pretty warm. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh yeah. A little time consuming, but it's well worth it. Get those shrimp in there and that pesto. Oh my goodness. This pan has all been seasoned with olive oil. Whew, hot. So you're gonna have to go like this to get anything in here. Well, there she is. Just took it out of the oven. We did it about 12 minutes at 400 just to get the edges a little crispy. Looks delicious, and we're gonna chow down. Well, guys, this is a masterpiece. This smells, wow. You gotta be here to smell this. Look at these shells. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Here she goes. Wow. The shrimp make it. I gotta tell you that. The shrimp make this. Very tasty. Wow. Oh wow, this is gonna be hard to stay away from. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Stuffed shells with pesto and shrimp. Man, and loads of cheese. What a delicious dish. You guys can do this. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you guys are new to the channel, thank you for checking us out. I hope you like what you saw. We have a lot more. You need to check our whole video log. We've got tons of videos and tons more coming down the pike. We're a full outdoor channel, fishing, hunting, and cooking. And cooking reviews and product reviews. Hope you guys have a wonderful week. And again, let me not forget, if you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you don't mind, be part of the Fish Hook family. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.